So hello everyone, myself Priyatosh Bandhavadhyay. I work in high energy physics in the physics department. Welcome you all. This is a pandemic situation, so we have to teach online. I personally don't prefer online teaching because I believe physics teaching cannot be done without the board and personal interactions. But this is a trying situation, and we are trying our best. So what we plan is that all the lectures will be pre-recorded and uploaded either in the YouTube or Google Classroom, depending on the size. And this course will be taught by Dr. Shantanu Desai, and tutorial will be taken by Dr. Kirit Makwana along with me. And we made a tentative plan. Of course, we can change depending on your requirement and our requirement as well. So I'll go through the plan such that you have an idea what this course is going to offer and how you are going to prepare. So the first week would be the introduction to basically quantum theory as well as quantum mechanics. So this probably would be some kind of repetition for some students, but I will start with the young double slit and try to give an idea about wave particle duality, and then quantum theory, Heisenberg uncertainty principle, canonical conjugate variables, and wave functions, and probability density, and so on, and photoelectric effects. And next week, Shantanu will teach the black body radiation and photoelectric effect, quantum scattering, and bit of special theory relativity. Remember, there is another course on special theory relativity when you go to the second semester, but this would be just a small introduction of the courses, and then I think a third week I'll do with the boundary value problems in the quantum mechanics, also the properties of the wave functions as well as potential, the spin parity, Stern-Gallac experiment. And then Kirit will introduce laser and plasma and little bit of phase transition. And in the fifth week, I'll come back with the density of states and wave functions, which are fermionic and bosonic and multiparticle wave function. Then we talk about a little bit of quantum statistics, and later on it will go to the phase temperature graph or canonical ensemble, and little bit of StatMech and Saha equation, little bit of GR and Astro, and nuclear beta decay. And the last we'll try to touch upon the lattice vibration, which is called phonon, and a bit of band theory and semiconductors. So this is our plan. And about the grading, so there will be two exams. One exam one, I'll set the question paper. This is 40, and exam two, or maybe we can both set the question papers. And 40, and then 20 marks will be given to assignments and tutorial. So every lecture, if you follow the lecture notes, I will upload 2 or 3 or 4 maybe assignments, and you are happy to do it. And, and in the tutorial you will be asked, I mean, you'll be asked to submit those assignments, scan it and submit it, and the TAs will check and grade. And also you should have a proper course, tutorial session where maybe you'll be asked some questions, some kind of oral test. So please do attend the tutorials, and some marks will be given on that one. So let's say if you have solved a problem but you can't answer, then your whatever you submitted, it cannot be graded. So we have to follow some certain rules. So, and the tentative exam, the first exam will be on 15th of Jan, and the second exam will be 15th of Feb. So that is tentative because it depends on the dean academics and the rules, and due to this situation it may change. And let's come to the other part of the thing. So basically I will make a LaTeX lecture note which I'll upload, either will upload in a drive or a Google Classroom. I'll always prepare a drive, so we'll share it, and you can follow the lecture note. So every lecture, the moment the lecture is finished, I'll upload it. And during the lecture also, apart from the video lecture, I will have a PDF copy of my lecture, so you can go through that. And the assignments are given in this PDF, so I will not send out additional assignment sheets. I'll prepare a PDF document where the lecture notes are there, as well as there would be assignments. The reason, because I want all of you to go through the lecture notes, so the assignments are given in between the lectures. Okay. So I'll use the Microsoft whiteboard. So I'll use my iPad to write it, because as I said, I don't believe in the lecture notes in itself. And time to time I'll share my LaTeX lecture note, which is a PDF format, which is already prepared. But I'll try to explain things on my iPad. This is how we'll go. Okay, so this is just an introduction. So next video I'll start the first lecture. Thank you.